Good morning. Today we're going to continue to get geocache types at the Ventura Harbor Wetlands Ecological Reserve. Let's go on our way. We're going to find a multi, a mystery, and then leave the Ecological Reserve just a little bit and go get ourselves an Earthcache. So if that sounds like fun or interesting to you, well, come join me. These ponds are actually settling ponds for the City of Ventura Reclamation Plant. There's three of the ponds. There's Lucy Pond, Bone Pond, and this one, Snoopy Pond, for obvious reasons. So we're here at Lucy Pond, the lowest of the three ponds, and where water drains into the Santa Clara River through that drain. This is also the place where we get the information that we need for the multi-cache, which is going to be not too far from here. So let's go ahead and head that direction. The description tells us what the container is and tells us where it is. So although it blends in really well and muggles aren't going to find it, geocacher shouldn't have any trouble with it. So on we go. So the fifth and final location for the Adventure Lab takes us to this little drain where water is draining from Snoopy Pond into Lucy Pond. But this is not where we find the information. So let's follow that video and go over there. Well, we're at the location where we can find the information for the final location of the Adventure Lab, and we have circumnavigated the Wetlands Ecological Preserve. Now, we also did go by the mystery cache final location, so let's go back there and get that one. So here we are at the mystery cache. And the key to finding this easily is to read the description that you have to cross a few feet of ice plant. And if you do, and if you look in the right place, you'll spot the geocache. We're going to leave the Ecological Preserve. We're going to go and get ourselves an Earthcache. Okay, I'm here at the location of the Earthcache, and there's going to be a lot of traffic noise, so I'm just going to explain what's going on here. We're talking about a sandbar that builds up at the mouth of the Santa Clara River, and when that sandbar is solid, the water will back up. It will be several feet deep and very, very wide. When the sandbar breaches, the water will rush out, and there'll be very little water, and the river will be very narrow. So I provided a tool to measure the depth, and then you'll walk and tell the distance. So let's go take a look and decide if the sandbar is solid or if it's breached. So if you look closely, you'll see evidence of a line and a sinker hidden in that little brick. We're going to get it and walk it out to the measuring location. right, so I'm here at the measuring point. I've measured and it is 6 inches deep. So what I'm going to do is I'll measure how far it is from bank to bank. And the cool thing about this earth cache is we put that information in the log. So we'll get a running log of what is here, and I will tell you, based on the fact that the water is flowing, the sandbar is breached. All right, so that's it. I'm going to get my information put into my log, my maintenance log for this earth cache. But what a great day. Got a 1.5 mile walk in, got to share 7 geocache types with you, and make 2 videos. So that's a good day. So at this point, I'm going to tell you, hey, thanks for joining me.